Hey there! Thanks again for joining us on another behind the scenes with Lawnzcapes. We are doing an irrigation check here in the beautiful Naples for one of our customers, and we're running the cells here. I'll show you in a little bit. Here we are. So this customer called us because they have some hot spots, meaning the irrigation is not reaching. So you can see our boy Steve over there right in front of a hot spot, just checking it out, making sure that this zone here is running fine. Next thing that we're gonna do is run the zone on the side so that we can figure out what's going on. Here's the hotspot. There are probably some heads here on the inside that we're gonna have to raise. Yeah, you can see one over there, and one at the end. So what's going on here is that when they installed these sprinklers, they didn't account for the plants in the front. So now that the plants are in the front, the water is not going to reach the outside. So best thing that we can do is put risers on it, basically a pipe that's going to stick out. It's going to lift this up, and now the water is going to go above, and it's going to water the plants and the grass so that these hot spots can be eliminated. Let's check out the back of the property now. So we have we have a hot spot here. We're going to check that out and see what's going on with that. Everything else seems to be working the way it's supposed to be working. Making some adjustments over there, making sure that things are running the way they're supposed to. Yeah, bro. So right there, he found one that is crooked. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust that. All right, we're going to the next zone. Oh, right behind me. There we go. We gotta see why we have this hotspot here and here. Okay, so we can see that in this area here, water is reaching. So we're just gonna make a little bit of an adjustment to make sure that it hits better. And then we're on to the next one. Okay, so we have another hotspot back here. And we can see what the issue is. A sprinkler here, when it turns, Calusa is blocking it. And then the same thing here. So all the water is hitting the Calusa, so we're gonna have to move those out so we can get this area. All right, well, that's the end of it. I appreciate you joining us again. Appreciate you joining us again for this behind the scenes. 239-289-6338.